What's going on, guys? I was gonna do a video before I started putting them in. I already took one of my lights off right here. As you can tell, I got water in there and rode around. What I'm doing is I got this kit so I can put 2 cubes. That's what it's gonna look like. There are the instructions. And I mean, I'll look at that if I need be, but these are the brackets, and they're thick and solid too now. They ain't no flimsy stuff, and they look like they're powder coated. And I got 4 cubes in the box right here. And I'll show you what it looks like after I put it in there. But I just wanted something different. I'll show you what the outcome is. I think the most aggravating part about this is actually getting the nut down there and get it to line up. I've just been dropping it, and it went right down in there. And once you get it pulled tight, it'll actually secure itself in there. But it came with this Allen wrench, so I'm getting them all set up and going to put on that bracket and put them on my truck. Here's what they look like from behind the bumper. And the only thing I recommend when you get these in, this pack of bolts right there, lose them. Go to the hardware store, get some new ones. Those are longer than what you need, and actually they're, I don't know what size or what thread size they are, but they didn't match up at the hardware stores. They got to be some overseas nuts and bolts, but that's why I still have these. I used my factory bolts for the mounting brackets, and I went to go get some bolts with lock nuts on them, and just throw that in the trash can, or you can burn it. Maybe next time.